Whichever way you look at it, the new Advent 2-in-1 gap tape, designed and tested by professional tradesmen, is an ingenious innovation. The Advent 2-in-1 gap tape is brilliant for normal measuring and brilliant for internal measuring. Its double-sided, printed blade means it measures internal spaces with the same effortless precision as normal measuring. Whatever trade you're in, you want the best tools for the job. Simply put, your existing tape measure does not measure up, because it will not measure internal spaces accurately. What do you do when you want to measure an internal area, like a door frame or a window frame? No doubt, you bend the tape. This is not only potentially inaccurate, but may be costly, as it could mean you cut in the wrong place, and then need new materials. The Advent 2-in-1 gap tape's clever reverse blade markings take into account the dimensions of its case. So when you measure internal spaces such as door and window frames, you butt the case up to the end. Simple, accurate, and no need to bend the tape. And don't forget that the Advent 2-in-1 gap tape works perfectly for normal measuring as well. That's why we say the Advent 2-in-1 gap tape is the only tape measure you will ever need. Flipping brilliant!